Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is an unbiased review and unboxing of the Bunker Industries recovery tracks that comes with a multi-use jack base that can also link the boards together for a longer recovery surface. Let's check these out. First off, I want to thank Vic Off-Road for continuing to send us quality products for unbiased testing and reviews for you guys. So here's the jack base. Look at that. Just locks right in place. So if you have to jack on sand or mud, it's not going to just push down into the mud. You have a larger surface area to distribute that weight. If you have to change your tire out off-road or just simply get, unstuck, that is a game changer. I'm gonna throw away my wood scrap I keep in the back of my truck now because this is way safer. And I mean, just look how durable this thing is. Wow. They've got some weight to it. So you can see it's got this double nest design here. So you can stack up, several boards. Look how thin that is. That's 2 boards. I think the ones we're currently using, the X Bulls, like 1 board is maybe this thick, maybe even thicker. This does come with a carry bag here, Bunker Industries bag. I think there was something else in here. Oh yeah. So it comes with the straps, so you can put them around the handles, so if it does get buried in the mud, you can see your safety strap sticking up. So this is the multi-use of this jack base. Not only does it help with recovery situations in that way, flip it over, push in, just like that, so you can link it together for a longer recovery surface. So look at that, so they won't come unsnapped from each other. And the nice thing is they even have a little bit of play here, so if you were like trying to climb something, it'll keep them together and increase your length of recovery. This is sweet. It's a game changer. I don't even think Max Tracks can compete with this. And the best part, the red. Love the red. As a set, it's just the 2 boards and the 1 jack base. So if you did want 4 to make this a longer track for each side, you will need 4 boards. Great thing too is it's got multiple pulls here for different mounting options. So if you had different racks to mount them on, it's got several different ways here. It can also be used as a shovel, like so. You could use it to shim your RV or your truck for your rooftop tent. These are rated for 20-ton capacity, so you can shim whatever camper you want with these. These are also UV protected. They have a workable range of -22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit with 150 degree bend angle. They're made with PA6 poly, durable poly material, used in a lot of bearing products. An included jacking base that nests into the board here, so you can safely do a tire change on sand, which is required out here at Cape Cod National Seashore.
Nice, it's off the ground.
That same jack base can also be used to link the boards together for a longer recovery surface when needed. All right, so let's get stuck and self-recover. a little bit faster. Yeah, right there. All right. Go slow. Go slow. Keep coming. Look. Alright, so after using the recovery boards, this is the only damage that we sustained rock crawling with them. Got a little ground up on some rocks, but they still nest together well. Held up great. No cracks. Ready for the next trail. As you can see, it's really important to have recovery boards not only for sand, mud, and snow, but also for tire changes and rock crawling as well. If you're in the market for recovery boards, I highly recommend the Bunker Industries recovery boards. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and review video, smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.